So here's the back of the Focus ST, and I already removed the plate, obviously. And here is a body pry tool. You're gonna wanna make sure you use something like this and not like a screwdriver, because you'll definitely scratch your paint back here. And you'll probably notice that these cameras have a little bit of play. Well, the whole mechanism has a bit of play side to side. So we're gonna use that to our advantage. And you wanna get up under the edge and slowly and carefully, well, this one came out super easy because it's been out a couple times. But that's pretty much all there is to it. And there's your wiring. It'll be clipped in on either side. So when you get the new one from eBay or your local scrapyard, you can just plug it in, pop it into the car, and it should be good to go.